Kumusta? Magandang araw. Ako si Reymund. Hello everyone. Good day. I'm Reymund and welcome to my channel. Our topic for today is how to say Happy New Year in Tagalog. But before we go in there, let us first have the following vocabulary words which are necessary in discussing our topic for today. We have the word taon. When we say taon, that means year. Taon. Taon. Hating gabi, that's midnight. Hating gabi. Hating gabi, midnight. Araw is day. Araw, day. Araw. Party is kasiyahan. When we say party, that's kasiyahan. When we say sayawan, that means dancing. Sayawan, sayawan. Paputok are your fireworks. Paputok, paputok. Bispiras, that means the day before the event. That's the bispiras, or at times it's dispiras, but it's bispiras. Tagay, that means to toast. Tagay. Taon, hating gabi, araw, party, sayawan, paputok, bispiras, tagay. We also have manigo, which means happy. Manigo, manigong bagong taon. Masagana means bountiful. Masaganang bagong taon, bountiful new year. When we say bago, that means new, bago. Media Noche, that means midnight. Media, midnight, Media Noche. You also have your torotot, but it's a smaller one that are like being used by kids to make noise, especially when it's New Year. So that's your torotot. We also have a handaan. A handaan is a party. Handaan. Pagkain, when we say pagkain, that means food. Pagkain, kain is eat. Pagkain is food. When we say regalo, that's a gift. Regalo. Manigo, masagana, bago, medianoche, torotot, handaan, pagkain, regalo. Let us have the following sentence that you will be using when you want to greet someone a Happy New Year. The first one is manigong bagong taon. When we say manigo, that's happy. Bago is new, and then taon is year. Manigong bagong taon, that's Happy New Year. Manigong bagong taon. Manigong bagong taon. We also have manigong bagong taon po. We added the word po, which makes it more polite or polite. Manigong bagong taon po. Manigong bagong taon po. If you want to add the name of that person that you are greeting to make it more personal in a way, you'll just have to add the name at the end of the sentence. So it becomes manigong bagong taon po Ate Maria. So let's say the name of that person, that's your Ate Maria. So you would want to greet her in a more personal way. So you'll just have to add her name at the end of the sentence. Once again, it becomes manigong bagong taon po Ate Maria. Manigong bagong taon po Ate Maria. So if that person's name that you are going to greet is your Kuya Kim, his name is Kim or her name is Kim, you can say, of course, Kuya, that's brother. So ate is like sister. So manigong bagong taon po Kuya Kim. Manigong bagong taon po Kuya Kim. Manigong bagong taon po Kuya Kim. Manigong bagong taon po. Manigong bagong taon. Manigong bagong taon po Ate Maria. Manigong bagong taon po Kuya Kim. Manigong bagong taon po Tita Maria. Manigong bagong taon po Tita Janet. Manigong bagong taon po Tita Camila. Next, manigong bagong taon sa'yo. That means Happy New Year to you. Sa'yo, sa iyo. The construction of sa iyo is sa'yo. Manigong bagong taon sa'yo. Manigong bagong taon sa'yo. We also have manigong bagong taon po sa inyo, which is more polite because there's the word po, and this is plural, sa inyo. Manigong bagong taon po sa inyo. Manigong bagong taon po sa inyo. Next is manigong bagong taon po sa lahat. That means Happy New Year everyone or to everyone. Manigong bagong taon po sa lahat. Manigong bagong taon po sa lahat. Isang manigong bagong taon po sa lahat. Next is manigong bagong taon po sa atin. That means Happy New Year to all of us. Sa ating lahat. Yan, pwede rin sa atin, to us. Manigong bagong taon po sa atin. Happy New Year to all of us or to both of us sa ating dalawa. Manigong bagong taon po sa atin. Manigong bagong taon po sa atin. Manigong bagong taon sa'yo. Manigong bagong taon sa'yo. Manigong bagong taon po sa inyo. Manigong bagong taon po sa inyo. Manigong bagong taon po sa lahat. Manigong bagong taon po sa lahat. Manigong bagong taon po sa atin. Manigong bagong taon po sa atin. Masaganang bagong taon sa iyo. When we say masagana, that means bountiful. So, bountiful New Year to you. Masaganang bagong taon sa iyo. Sa iyo, sa iyo. The construction of sa iyo is sa iyo. So, masaganang bagong taon sa iyo. Masaganang bagong taon sa iyo. Masaganang bagong taon po sa inyo. Masaganang bagong taon po sa inyo. A bountiful New Year to you. Plural, masaganang bagong taon po sa inyo. We also have manigong or masaganang bagong taon po sa lahat. Masaganang bagong taon po sa lahat. A bountiful New Year to everyone. Masaganang bagong taon po sa lahat. Next is masaganang bagong taon po sa atin. Masaganang bagong taon po sa atin, which means a bountiful New Year to all of us or to both of us. Masaganang bagong taon po sa atin. Masaganang bagong taon sa iyo. Masaganang bagong taon sa iyo. Masaganang bagong taon po sa inyo. Masaganang bagong taon po sa inyo. Manigong bagong taon po sa lahat. Masaganang bagong taon po sa lahat. Masaganang bagong taon po sa lahat. Masaganang bagong taon po sa atin. Masaganang bagong taon po sa atin. This time, let us have this sample prompt. Like if you want to greet someone like in a continuous manner, let us have this example on the screen. Kumusta? Magandang araw po. When we say kumusta, of course, that's hi, hello, or how are you? Magandang araw, that's good day. Magandang umaga, that's good morning. Magandang tanghali, that's good noon. Magandang hapon, that's good afternoon. And magandang gabi, that's good evening. So you say, kumusta? Magandang araw po. Yan. So kumusta? Magandang araw po. Kumusta? Magandang tanghali po if it's noon. Kumusta? Magandang gabi po if it's evening. So that's how you do it. Next, si Reymund po ito. That means this is Reymund. At binabati ko po kayo ng isang manigong bagong taon. Binabati is greet ko po kayo ng isang manigong bagong taon. So I'm greeting you a Happy New Year. Si Reymund po ito at binabati ko po kayo ng isang manigong bagong taon. This is Reymund and I'm greeting you a Happy New Year. Next is maraming salamat po, paalam at ingat po lagi. So maraming salamat, salamat. The word salamat means thank you and marami means many. Maraming salamat po, many thanks. When we say paalam, that means goodbye. And when we say ingat, that's take care. And lagi is always or all the time. So when we say maraming salamat po, paalam at ingat po lagi, that means thank you very much, goodbye, and take care. So once again, let me read to you our sample prompt if you want to greet someone a Happy New Year in Tagalog. Kumusta? Magandang araw po. Si Reymund po ito at binabati ko po kayo ng isang manigong bagong taon. Maraming salamat po, paalam at ingat po lagi. Again, let me try that once more. Kumusta? Magandang araw po. Si Reymund po ito at binabati ko po kayo ng isang manigong bagong taon. Maraming salamat po, paalam at ingat po lagi. So that's it for our lesson, which is how to say Happy New Year in Tagalog. I do hope that you learned something new. And please don't forget to click like and subscribe if you learned something new from this video, since I am uploading a new content every now and then. Once again, maraming salamat, paalam at ingat. Thank you very much, goodbye and take care.